Rajim. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I'm your teacher Kiran from pre-KG2, and today I'm here to teach English lesson. And our today's topic is letter S and its sound. This is letter S and its sound. So first of all, we will learn about letter S. How to write letter S. This is the starting point of letter S. Start from the point, go round, 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 come down and go round. This is letter S. Now we will again learn how to write letter S. This is the starting point of S. Start from the point, go round, come down and go round. This is letter S. Now we will learn how to write this sound. How to write sound. This sound we have already learned in our previous class. So now we will revise this sound. This is the starting point of start from the point, go round, come down and go round. This is and this is S. S says S says S says. Okay, my dear students, now we will do I spy. Let's do I spy with me. Put your both hands on your eyes. I spy with my little eyes. Something begins with S is for sun. S is for sun. And look, this is scissors. I have scissors. This is for scissors. Okay, and this is snake. This is for snake. This is for snake. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Okay, now let's see finger phonic book. This is, look, what is this? This is a big snake. Snake. Snake is for sun. Is for sun. And is for strawberry. Is for strawberry. Snake, sun and strawberry. Now we will chase our finger on sound. Okay, my dear students, let's see the things that start with sound. Look, this is sun. This is for sun, and this is sunflower. This is sunflower. This is for sunflower. So, Alhamdulillah, my dear students, we have learned letter S and its sound. We will learn our next sound in our next video. So, Allah Hafiz.